Knocking on Heaven's Door, Bob Dylan on the ukulele. Let's go over all the chords and then we'll go over the strumming pattern. So the chords are the same for the entire song. It's going to be a G to a D to an A minor to a G to a D to a C. That's it. G, D, A minor, G, D, C. And the strumming pattern you could use. Down, down, up, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, 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 up. Mama, take this badge off of me. I can't use it anymore. It's getting dark, too dark to see. I feel I'm knocking on heaven's door. Into the chorus. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. Those are all the chords. That is the strumming pattern that you need for this song. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys need strings for your ukulele, I got the best strings in the world in the description below. I use them for my ukulele. It's good for concert, tenor, or soprano. You should check it out. Thank you for watching. Hope this helped you, and I'll see you guys in another one.